Welcome to valleytoda.ca. You're having a look at a 2014 Tundra Platinum Crewmax, stock number 17661A. This truck has 100,300 kilometers on it at the time of filming, and was traded by a client of ours that's bought quite a few vehicles from us over the years. And this truck was traded for a 2018 Toyota Tundra Crewmax Platinum. So we ended up going into a brand new one. This was a leased vehicle, and he decided to release again with us and end up in another Tundra. In terms of chips, marks, scratches, dents, it does have a few rock chips on it here that we have not yet had a chance to touch up. The truck just came in, just finished getting it detailed, and now we're getting it videoed for sale. Got a rock chip here on the door we need to touch up. All in all, though, it shows quite well, black on black. And we do have a set of new tires going on it as well. Got a little bit of a dent here in the top of the tailgate. Quite minor. Let's have a look here on the inside. Crewmax are great because they have 4 feet of legroom in them. So tons of space. It's like riding in a limousine kind of in the back here. Should also point out he did add the power steps as well. So when you open the door, the step comes down. When you close the door, they fold up and hide out of the way, which is nice. Power windows, power locks. We have memory seating with 2 positions here. We have a power driver's seat with power lumbar. We can also adjust the length of that cushion. Platinum also has the embossed cross-stitch leather in here, which is a nice touch. So let's hop in here and have a look. So with a Platinum, you get a few more toys here. You got power folding mirrors, power mirrors. We can adjust the pitch of our headlights there. We have blind spot monitoring, and we have a power rear window like on 4Runner and Sequoia that folds all the way down, which is super cool. We have an AM/FM CD player here that is also our navigation system. We'll open that up, and there's our nav. This also becomes our backup camera. We have dual climate control. We have heated and cooled seats, so we can air condition the seats as well as heat them. Shift on the fly 4-wheel drive. We have a trailer brake controller. We have parking sonar. We have traction control off and tow haul mode. We have cruise control, on hook, off hook, and Bluetooth speech control there. And we have steering wheel audio controls here on the left of the wheel. There's our mileage, 100,309 kilometers. So if you'd like some more information about this 2014 Toyota Tundra Platinum Crewmax model, please let us know. Chat with us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on our website at valleytoda.ca. Click on the CarProof logo for information about the CarProof report on this truck, and get a hold of us. We'd love to chat with you more. We're an hour from Vancouver, 45 minutes from Langley, and about 20 minutes from the Abbotsford area in Chilliwack, B.C. About a 2-hour drive or so from Kamloops down the Coquitlam Highway. Love to talk to you more about this truck or any other used vehicles we have for sale. Thanks for watching.